Ever wondered how Coca-Cola is made in massive factories? It all starts with purified water, filtered to the highest standards. The signature syrup is carefully prepared using a secret formula. Carbon dioxide is added to create that refreshing fizz. Bottles are created on-site using high-speed molding technology. Each bottle is precisely filled and sealed within seconds. Products are labeled, packed, and prepared for delivery worldwide. From factory to shelves, ready to refresh millions every day.
And that's how Coca-Cola is made. With Harton, from start to finish.